In this video, we will look at some of the best cordless jigsaw on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5 are DDSP and electric jigsaw cordless jigsaw. Unlock unparalleled versatility and precision in your woodworking endeavors with the DDSP and electric jigsaw cordless jigsaw, crafted for excellence. This powerhouse tool offers a myriad of features tailored to elevate your woodworking experience. Unmatched performance. Equipped with a powerful lithium battery, this cordless jigsaw operates seamlessly on Makita 18 volts battery, ensuring consistent and reliable power supply for uninterrupted workflow. With a voltage range of DC 18V to 1V and a cutting depth of 65 mm, tackle various materials including wood, plastic, and aluminum effortlessly. Precision at your fingertips. With a variable speed range of 1000 to 2900 RPM and a frequency of 50 to 60 Hz, achieve precise cuts tailored to your project's requirements. The 3-speed cutting speed adjustment function empowers you with optimal control, ensuring superior accuracy with every cut. Number for 5 to 700 RPM cordless jigsaw. Discover the perfect blend of power and portability with the 5 to 700 RPM cordless jigsaw. Engineered to deliver unparalleled performance, this versatile tool is designed to meet the diverse needs of woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. Optimized specifications. Equipped with a potent 20 volts power source and boasting a cutting depth of 65 mm, this cordless jigsaw effortlessly handles a variety of woodworking tasks with ease. With a maximum cutting depth of 750 west and a no-load speed ranging from 1000 to 1500 r/min, achieve precise cuts tailored to your project's requirements. The rated voltage of 21 volts ensures consistent performance, while the maximum stroke of 15 mm enhances efficiency during operation. Portable and multifunctional. Designed for convenience, this electric jigsaw offers unparalleled portability, allowing you to tackle woodworking projects with ease, whether you're in the workshop or on the go. Its multifunctional capabilities make it the ideal companion for a wide range of woodworking tasks, from intricate designs to large-scale projects. Seamless compatibility. Engineered to work seamlessly with Makita 18 volts battery, this cordless jigsaw ensures reliable power supply, empowering you to work without constraints. Enjoy uninterrupted workflow and enhanced productivity, whether you're a professional craftsman or a DIY enthusiast. Number 3 YADRA cordless electric jigsaw. Unlock precision and versatility in your woodworking projects with the YADRA cordless electric jigsaw. Crafted to perfection, this powerhouse tool offers unmatched performance and convenience to woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. Tailored specifications. Featuring 3 adjustable gears, this cordless electric jigsaw ensures precise cuts tailored to your project's requirements. With a cutting depth of 65 mm and a frequency of 50 to 60 Hz, tackle various materials including wood, plastic. Number 2 WBK Cordless Jigsaws. Experience unmatched performance and convenience in your woodworking projects with the WBK Cordless Jigsaws. Crafted with precision engineering and cutting-edge technology, this versatile tool is designed to elevate your woodworking experience to new heights. Optimized specifications. Featuring a brushless motor powered by a lithium battery, the WBK Cordless Jigsaw delivers exceptional performance and reliability. Compatible with Makita 18 volts battery, this jigsaw operates seamlessly, ensuring consistent power supply for uninterrupted workflow. With a voltage of DC to OV, a cutting depth of 65 mm, and a no-load speed ranging from 0 to 2900 RPM, tackle various materials including wood. Number 1 Pacho Pro cordless jigsaw. Unlock unparalleled versatility and precision in your woodworking projects with the Pacho Pro cordless jigsaw. engineered with precision and convenience in mind. This powerhouse tool is designed to elevate your cutting experience to new heights. Dynamic cutting performance with a variable speed trigger providing up to 3,000 strokes per minute. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.